Hey YouTubers, it's Nick540 here again. And after my last gold video that I did yesterday showing some 1 ounce gold coins in the size comparison, I had a couple people comment about some of the other sizes. So I thought I would show a couple of those. What you see in front of you is for 1/10 ounce gold coins. On the right over here, I have the Krugerrand, the American Eagle, Canadian Maple Privy, and the 2012 Panda. So I didn't take these out of the capsule to do this comparison because I thought I would try it in the capsule. I like to take my coins out as little as possible, so sorry, it might not be totally accurate. Basically, you can also find this online, but I thought it'd be cool to show. The Krugerrand and the Eagle are pretty much the exact same size with regards to diameter. Thickness, I'm not sure because, as I said, I'm not taking them out of the container, but they're pretty much the same size when I did a little measurement there. The Maple Leaf is tiny bit smaller in diameter, but a little bit thicker. A tiny bit, like I'm talking a millimeter here. And then you can see here the Chinese Panda is actually quite a bit larger than all of them, diameter-wise, but not quite as thick. So you can see it's interesting because the Panda for the 1 ounce is very similar to the American Eagle and a little bit bigger than the Maple, but not a whole lot. But in the 10th ounce, it is quite a bit bigger. And the difference between the 10th ounce Maple and these two and the 1 ounce versions is at least a few millimeters. So it seems like the larger size that you get, the more the diameter spreads out and the thickness, if that makes any sense. So I'll also show you here a 20th ounce. So here's a 20th ounce Panda, and here is a 20th ounce Maple Leaf. And you can see here that they are pretty much the exact same size. Interestingly enough, the Maple Leaf is actually about a millimeter bigger, if not a ½ millimeter bigger, and probably also a little bit thicker by the looks of it. Again, this is not a hard scientific way of doing this. I take them all out of their packages and get real measurements, but it's just eyeballing it. That's what it seems like. So it's interesting to see that the maples for some of these, I mean, even the maple here, the 10th ounce and 20th ounce, there is not a huge diameter difference there. And this is just diameter. Thickness, I'm sure there is, but you can see there it was the same as the 1/4 ounce that I showed yesterday and the 1 ounce. Now there is a difference. You'll have to bear with me. I'm going to have to bring you over here for a quick second. There is a difference between here. Pardon me, guys and gals. Big difference between the gram. You can see there's the 1 gram Canadian Maple. Here's the 1/4 ounce. There's the 1 ounce there. I don't have the ½ ounce, but that's something I'm going to be getting. Yeah, so you can kind of see it's not a massive size difference between them, but between the 1 gram and the 1/20th, of course, there's a difference. Between these two, there's not a huge difference. Between these two, again, not a huge difference. And yeah, there is a difference here, but not sizable. I mean, it'd be interesting to have the ½ ounce in here just to show you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I know it wasn't very scientific, but it was fun to do. I appreciate all the comments on the last video with regards to size, and I'm hoping to do a few other ones. Someone asked if this is as thick as the silver, and I'm going to do a video on that soon. Thanks so much for watching.